Weller offer the possibility of traceable process safety, facilitated by the serial number orientated manufacturing connected via the serial interface of the WX family. The workflow allows the interaction of the operator and the communication of the company's internal traceable system with the Weller equipment. The operator can log in with individual and personal parameters. The assembly is scanned, detected and displayed accordingly. The traceability system allows the in-system barcode to store temperature, configurations, and the appropriate soldering tool is then assigned for the WX station. Once the correct tool is connected, the data from the soldering process is transmitted to the interface of the traceability system.